If you're a complete beginner, you're going to want to start with my Intro to Guitar crash course, and for everyone else, let's get into it. So we're going to start on G, but it's going to be the G with the pinky as well. So we're going to be playing on the 1 and the and of 3. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then to give it that punchy feel we've got in the actual song, you're going to mute the strings on the G and the E minor 7 and let the D/F sharp ring. So that's going to sound like this. So you're going to play that part 3 times, and then you're going to end the chorus by playing G for 2 beats, then D/F sharp for 2 beats, and then E minor 7 for 4 beats. Let's try the whole thing out together. Then we just need to learn one more guitar part. That's the part played in the verse, the pre-chorus, and the bridge. I'll show you the harder picking version and an easy strumming version, and you can use whichever one you want, whichever one works for you. So you're going to start with your second finger on your pinky, first finger, pinky, second finger, first finger to the pinky, third finger, first finger on the second fret here. And then you're going to end, first finger, pinky, first finger. So then we're restarting with the first bar again, and then a hammer-on with the pinky. And besides that, the rest of the riff is the exact same thing as the first run-through. So you can do that picked version, or if you want something easier, you can do this strumming version right here. So you're going to start on a G and do 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. To a D/F sharp, 1, 2, and. Then to a new chord, a B minor 7, 3, 4, and. Then you're going to do that exact same strumming pattern again, but this time on E minor 7, and then back to that D/F sharp. So here's it all together. And whether you do the picked version or the strum version, you're going to end the pre-chorus where he says, "But everything means nothing if I can't have you," with our held G, D/F sharp, and E minor 7 that we played at the end of the chorus too. And if you can play those 2 parts, you can play the entire song. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up button and let me know in the comments below. It really does make a difference. Also, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to learn your favorite songs on guitar as fast as possible. I also just want to give a quick shout out to Faith Guitars for sending me this guitar. If you've been following along with my channel, you've noticed that I've traded out my old Simon & Patrick guitar for this one, because honestly, I just love this instrument. It's fantastic to play. I couldn't be happier. If you're in US or Canada, you can get a 15% off any Faith guitar by checking out the link in the description below. Alright, with that said, let's try out the full song playthrough.